Hello students, today we are going to continue Unit 3 Yoga and Lifestyle Part 2, in which we are going to study about other lifestyle diseases. Topics to be covered: diabetes, procedure, benefits and contraindication for Bhujangasana, Paschimottanasana, Pavanmuktasana and Ardha Matsyendrasana. Diabetes is such a disorder that it causes sugar to build up in our bloodstream instead of being used by the cells in the body. Procedure: Bhujangasana is the stretching yogic exercise of the front torso and the spine. It resembles with the final stage when the cobra is ready to attack its prey by raising its hood. In this asana, you have to lie down on the belly on the ground. Keep your hands near the shoulders. Keep your legs close together. Now straighten up your arms. Slowly raise the chest. Your head should turn backwards. Keep the position for some time. Benefits: it elevates obesity. It provides strength and agility. Cures urinary bladder disorder. Cures disease for liver and improves blood circulation. It makes the vertebral column flexible and thin. It cures gas disorders, constipation and indigestion. It strengthens the muscles of hands. Contraindication: people suffering from hernia, back injuries, headaches and recent abdominal surgeries should not perform it. Pregnant women should not perform this asana. Paschimottanasana. The name of this asana is derived from the Sanskrit word Paschima, which means west or back of body, and Uttana, which means intense stretch or straight or extended. Sit down straight with legs together by stretching in front. Keep head, neck and spine erect. Palms should rest on respective knees. After this, bend head trunk slowly forward to catch the toes with thumb, index finger, middle fingers without bending knees. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Bend the arm and try to touch the elbow on the floor. Exhale completely and holding the breath and stay in this posture for a few seconds. Slowly return to starting position. Breathe normally. Repeat this for 3-4 times. Benefits: it relieves stress. Fatty deposits in the abdomen are reduced. Minimum anxiety, anger and irritability. Improves flexibility of the spine. Helps to minimize constipation and cures digestive disorders. Tones the abdominal pelvic organs. This asana is recommended especially for women after delivery. Relieves headache, migraine and eye strain. Contraindication: during pregnancy it should be avoided. Person suffering from slip disc, sciatica problem, asthma should avoid this. Ulcer patient should also not practice this asana. Pavan Muktasana. It is derived from two Sanskrit words, Pavana, which means wind, and Mukta, which means release. Lie down on your back on a plain surface. Keep your feet together and place your arm beside your body. Take a deep breath. When you exhale, bring your knees towards your chest. At the same time, press your thighs on your abdomen. Clasp your hands around your legs. Hold the asana when you breathe normally. Every time you inhale, ensure that you loosen the grip. Exhale and release the pose after you rock and roll from side to side 3 times. Benefits: it eases tension in lower back, enhances blood circulation in pelvic area, stimulates reproductive organs, helps to cure menstrual disorder, helps in reducing fats of thighs, buttocks and abdominal area. It strengthens the abdominal muscles, also massages the intestines and organs of digestive system, which helps in releasing the gas and thus improves digestion, relieves constipation. Contraindication: avoid practicing this asana if people are facing high blood pressure, heart problem, hyperacidity, hernia, slip disc, neck and back problem. Avoid during pregnancy. Anyone suffering from hernia or pile should avoid this asana. Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Children, yesterday we have read about this asana and learned about the procedure, benefits and contraindication. Please go through the video again. Thank you.